Welcome to our guide on cable management. Today, we'll explore why organizing your cables is essential for both functionality and aesthetics. Let's start with the essential tools and supplies you'll need for effective cable management. Next, we'll identify common areas in your workspace where cable clutter tends to accumulate. Here are some best practices for keeping your cables organized and out of sight. Learn how to effectively use cable clips and ties to keep everything secure and tidy. Creating a cable routing plan can save you a lot of hassle in the long run. Here's how to do it. Power cords and adapters can be tricky, but we've got some solutions to make them manageable. Consider utilizing cable sleeves and raceways for a clean and polished look in your setup. Regular maintenance is key. Here are tips to help you keep your setup neat over time. Now that you're equipped with these strategies, it's time to implement your cable management plan and enjoy the benefits of a clean workspace.